Which apartment do you like better, the 4-room or the 5-room? I prefer an apartment of 4 rooms and comfortable. Which do you prefer, the neighborhood? Because I like a cute and quiet and beautiful place. What do you want wonder floor for? The apartment with wonder floor are elegant. Do you want a screened patio or a pool? The apartment with pool are expensive and prefer a quiet place. Would you prefer a light front unit? The view is neater, they are also more expensive. Yes, I would like a place with trees and quiet.